Guys, today we're going to be playing Baldi's Basic 7.0 again, but this time we're gonna try and get the different difficulties, because if I go on here, then there's difficulties, but it says beat story mode to unlock, but I've already beat it, so you know what, let's just try again. Hopefully I don't lose my items. Oh, of course.
Let's play.
Of course I do. You know, that's just the way that it works. Okay, what's the wait, I need to change the sensitivity.
Basics, education and learning.
Okay, that should be good. Let's start the game. Let's start. Here we go. Is this? Yeah, that's good.
Let's play hide and
Okay, let's go. Okay, one. Where is one? Okay, one is over there. Let's get it. Let's go get it. Let's go. I hate how you can't hide behind the thing. Like, that's annoying. Get it, bro. Bro.
Come here and get your prize. A shiny
Okay. That's four. Four is over here. We need to go. Yep, he's counting. For some reason, he does not close his eyes when he's counting. 8 is back there. 8 is back there. 8 is back here. Put it in. Get the notebook. Gosh. There we go. Okay, he's done counting. Hopefully principal doesn't spawn right where I am. Okay. Is it? 8. 8. Get the 8. Put the 8 in. Okay, I have to stop running. Okay, stop. Okay, what is it? 5. 5. Get it. Why couldn't I get it? Did I not get it? Come on, get it. I don't know where he is. Where is it? I don't know where he is. Wait, I already have this many notebooks. I might just beat it already. Oh, see? Principal's here. Yep. He's somewhere over there. Okay, that's the question. 4. Oh my gosh, he was there! You know what? I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get that. No! I didn't mean to use it on him. Okay, well. Okay, let's use it like this. Okay, pull me. No, are you kidding me? Okay, take my safety scissors. Please. Take my safety scissors. Wait. Bang. Okay.
I'll take it.
Yes!
It's mine now.
I don't know where Baldi is. Principal, please don't be here. Okay. Oh, okay. He's all the way down there. Okay. We beat it. Woo! Great job. Please try and do what I need to do. Okay, so I beat it. Are we done? We done? And it just kicked me out. Wait, is this the game? So did... Wait, it works! Before it didn't work. Okay, so we're gonna try all these modes. Thank you to I don't know how to say his name, but I'll go to his channel at the end of this video. Thank you to him, cause like that was the guy who just inspired me to actually play this video again. So okay, we're gonna do easy mode. Let's go. So I mean this should be easy mode, so it should be easy. Okay, what's 9? Come on, come on, come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, I hate these balloons. Wait, where did... Oh my gosh, it went over here. Okay, come on, bro. Okay, let's get it. Okay, get that. Let's go over here. Let's get this. Let's get this. Let's put it in. Okay, go, 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 go. Okay, thank God I have the grappling hook. Okay, where's one? Where's one? One? Okay, there it is. Okay. I think he's on 5. I don't know what number he's on. I think he's done. Yeah, no, he's done. Okay, let's go. 7. Get it. Get it, go. Get it, go. Get it, go. Are you kidding me? You have to be kidding me. Oh, no, he's right there. Okay. He doesn't know where I am. Wow, Baldi's blind. It's official. Bang. Go, 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 go. Hopefully, Principal isn't here anymore. Okay, okay, okay. So I just go this way. Okay, come on. Get this. Get this. Where is it? 1. Come on. Come on. Get it. Okay, let's go around because I don't want to get stuck. Okay. Let's do this, baby. We're doing this. Bang. 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 No, not you. Bang. I'm not dealing with you again. Even though I kind of don't even know what you do. What the? What just happened? Wait, what? Wait, I got 2 grappling hooks. That means I have 10, like uses of this. Because look, 5-5. Wow. That's... Thank you. Okay, get that. What's the... It's null here or something. Because, like, why are windows breaking? What the... Okay. 7. Whoa. Baldi, I think you have a voice crack from just there. Come on, fill it. Okay, there we go. I don't know where Baldi is. Okay, hopefully Principal's not here again. You know what? I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna replace this. I'm not looking at you. No. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. It's fine. We can still do this. Okay. Okay, we can still do this. Baldi's way slower. That's what I just noticed. Why does it always glitch whenever I'm there? Okay. Principal's not ruining my day today. Okay. Let's go. Okay, we beat it. Hopefully I don't get that same ending screen again. Because that's annoying. I have to spend so long. Okay. Okay. Well, you know what? We might as well just restart the game. Okay. Let's get back in. Let's go. Hopefully it's still there. Yep. Okay, so we done easy. Now let's try hard, which is... it's already hard enough, so I don't know how this is going to be any harder. I still have my items, which is good. No! Oh! Okay, well, that's the same. Okay, I still got a shiny quarter, which is...
A shiny quarter. Just click on it with the interactive mode. Yeah. Find something you can use it.
No. It's random, which I probably would have known. Okay, yeah, he still counts from 10. That's fine. What did I get? Wait, 7. Wait, where's 7? Get the 7. Get the 7. Wait, get it. Bang. I want to see what's over there. What's over here? What's this? Just some more points. He's already here. You kidding me? Like, get out of here. I'm still gonna get detention. 5. 5. Come on, please. Please. Get it. What am I doing? No! No! He's right here! Bang! Use it! My god, no! Oh, shoot! Oh, no! Oh, no! Go, 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 go. Okay, go, 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 go. Oh my god! Baldi's already there. Come on. No! I don't want that! My god, bro. Okay. Get the 5. Get the 5. Get the 5. Oh my god, he's right there. Oh no. Oh no. Peace on. Yes. Yes. Is that principal? That's principal. Principal. What? I got detention. Get off of me. Get off. What the? What is happening? Oh, it's pausing at the... I have to do... What? No, I hate this. Okay, I don't care. Whoa! Baldi, how do you get here? Okay. He's fast, man. Okay, use this. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go in! Oh no, it's still random. Another bee soda! Wait, this might actually work. Okay, let's go. You kidding me? You kidding? There's just one thing that got me tripping. There's just one thing that got me tripping. Go! Bang! My god, bro, he's so fast! Use it. Bro, what is extreme gonna be like? Oh no! Now I'm scared! Okay, I need to answer a question quick. Bro, I am lucky. I actually hate you as well. What's this? Okay. What's it? 4, 4, 4, 4. Get it? I need him to be happy. Happy. Happy, Baldi, yes! Oh my god! He was right there! Oh my gosh, bro, he's fast! Okay, where's 3? 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. Wait, no, that's not it. Oh my gosh, here it is. Okay, get it and go. Get it and go. Okay, Baldi's all the way over there. It's fine. Okay, I don't want to run. 99 seconds. Oh no, I heard you here, Baldi. Please. Oh wait, it doesn't replace it anymore. Like, you can still see the item as well. Oh no. Oh my god, he was right there. Bang. No, you know what? I'm just gonna go over here. I don't know. Oh no. No, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad. Please. No! Please. Please. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. No. 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 Okay. Okay. Fine. We can play. We can play. Actually, no. We can't play. We can't play. I'm dead. I'm dead. No, I'm dead. Okay, we're gonna try that again. That is hard. Okay, hey, at least I still keep my items. Okay, so what's here? Okay, 25 points, that's good. Okay, where's the 8? Where's the 8? Where is the 8? Okay, I'm just blind. Let's get this. Okay, bang. I need to be grabbing the thing quick. Ooh, okay, we're off to a good start. We're off to a good start. Let's go. Okay, thank God that it's points. I don't want it to be anything else. Okay, go, 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 go. Okay, we need to do as many things as we can. Like, okay, where's 8? 8, 8, okay. Put it in. Get the notebook. Okay, we're way faster. We are way faster than last time. Okay, let's go, let's go. Okay, 3, 2, 1, I think he said. Okay, okay, it's fine. We already got 4 notebooks. It's all good. We're all good. Are you kidding me? Like, get behind me. Okay, wait. No! 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 Wait! Whoa! How did you do that? No! Cheater! Cheater! No! Okay, we're gonna go to the shop. Okay, let's go to the shop. Oh my gosh, he's hard. Okay, what can we get? Okay, freeze. We need that. Can I replace items? Portal poster, we don't need that. Oh, B soda, okay, we need that. Yes, we can, okay. Okay, I guess I can leave now. Gosh, okay, I need this freeze and this, so that then, hey, at least we have all the good items. I mean, I can still replace the grappling hook, but like, okay. Okay, let's go in. Okay, we're all set. We are all set. Okay, 25 points. Good, 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 good. We need as many points as we can get. We need as many points as we can get. Okay, get that. Okay, 4 minus 4 is 0, so where would 0 be? Go, 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 go. Okay, okay, this is good. This is good. I'm gonna equip the diet. Okay, 1, 1, 1. Where's 1? Okay, there it is. There it is. Bang, boom, bang. I can't hear what he's saying. Okay, I was lucky to have that one just right there. Okay, don't run. No running. No running in the house. Detention for you. When will you learn? You see, this is why. Oh my god, where is it? He still needs to come to the store, so like, I still. He doesn't know where I am. I don't think. Yeah, no, he doesn't know where I am. I'm not running. Okay, run. Okay, run. Okay, run. Okay, run. Run, run, go. Okay, A minus 1 is 9. It's 9. Oh, for a minute I thought that was me. I have to jump. Oh no. Come on. Where is he? I don't know where he is. Okay, I don't think that. Come on, get it. Okay. 2. Bang. Okay. Okay, I have to freeze Baldi thingy. So, you know, I'm ready. I'm scared. Oh, there he is. There you are. Bang, got you. But it only lasts for a little bit. So he's going to be back at max speed, probably. I mean, what am I saying? Probably. He is. Yep, there he is. There he is. There he is. There he is. Bang! Okay, now I can't look at him. Can't look at him. Can't look at him. He's a... Okay, he's gone. Wait, I'm gonna beat hard. Yes? Principal, please don't be here. I don't care. You can take my things. I don't care. Yes! We beat hard. Oh my gosh, bro. That's hard. I mean, makes sense. Okay, is it gonna show that?
Welcome.
Oh wow, it didn't. Okay, that's good.
Education and
Alright,
learning.
let's try extreme and then we're back to the normal. Oh my gosh.
Oh, hi.
What?
Let's play.
Bro, Baldi
hide and
looks
seek.
creepy. What the? Baldi looks creepy. Okay, yeah, that's still points. Is it over here? Okay, yeah. No, zero's over here.
Come here and get your prize. A
Okay.
shiny quarter. Just click on it.
Okay, what's
Interact.
8? 8 is over here.
When you find something you can use on,
Hopefully he's not faster. Okay, let's go.
with the quarter selected.
Go.
That's
10. 9. Okay, 4. Where's 4? 4's back here. 4's back here. 4's back here. I'm not even gonna get the items. I'm just going. Because this is about to be hard. Did I not get... Okay, 7. He is about to be...
Now it's time for everybody.
Are you kidding me? This? Okay, what's 9 plus... Okay, 317.
Questions. I can't believe
What?
You're incredible.
Negative.
Problem 2.
63.
You're doing
Oh my gosh, bro, I can't be doing that, man. Oh, let me go. Let me go. So fast.
Looks like it's sweeping
I think what's that? I don't know who that's for. Oh. I just got out. I'm about to get even more detention.
Looks like it's
Go. Principal can't find me yet. Principal doesn't know where I am yet. Yeah, you can barely see anything. Good. 8. If the power's out, then how do these things work? That actually helps a little bit. He didn't know that I was winning. Come on. We're doing it. We're doing it. Yeah! is! Oh my gosh, yes. Bro, if I had to play that again, I would cry. Oh my gosh, yes. And it was even in one try, I think. One try. Okay, last mode, peaceful. This is about to be the best mode ever. Here we go.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
Let's play hide and seek.
Okay. So can he not kill me, or is like... I mean, I'm still gonna try to beat it even if he can't kill me. But like what I'm wondering is what's the difference? Okay, first let me get this. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna play this the normal way that I play it. So he doesn't chase me, so that means that like none of the characters are gonna come out. Wow, this is the best mode ever. This is the best mode yet. Okay, after this mode, then I'll be done with all these basics. I mean, this much. Unless it gets an update, then I'm definitely playing it. This is basically Baldi's Basics Plus, but downgraded, which I still love. Okay. 7. Okay, let's get 7. But it's basically adventure mode. Just like mine. What, are these? No one's out. Okay. Oh, that's just the treadmill. Wow, it actually is so peaceful to have the music, like, still running. Wait, what's that? Fire alarm. What? Oh, no! What happened? What did I do? That's loud. Do I just get out? That's loud. Am I really gonna have to play this? There's a second floor, so I'm definitely checking that out in this video as well. God, it's so... What? Baldi, what's happening? I'm kind of scared as well. Like, I didn't mean to do that. I mean, I just thought that it was... I'm gonna try that in the normal mode. And then what else was I gonna... Yeah, go to the second floor. Seven. So Baldi's still at the start, isn't he? Yeah, no, he's still at the start. Baldi, do you not care that there's a fire alarm going? Like, I feel like you should care. Nobody else in Crafters would be here, but he's not. Epic. And we're about to beat peaceful. We beat it. Okay, now 2 more things I want to do. I know that it's been almost been like half an hour, but you know this takes a long time to do. Okay, now we're gonna go in the normal mode. Normal. I'm not gonna try and beat the game. I'm just gonna go straight to that end point with the phone, and I'm gonna press the fire alarm. I'm just gonna see what happens. Wait, can I go through these doors already? I can. No, I'm gonna wait for him to finish counting, and then I'm just gonna like press it, like after like 10 seconds about of like the chaos. Okay, it should happen. Okay, yeah, I hear him. Ready or not, here I go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, until I hear those slaps, cause
No bullying in the halls. 99 seconds.
oh yeah, I hear it. Okay, let's press it. Whoa! Whoa! Baldi! I decide? I mean, I guess I didn't press it. Okay, we're gonna go back in. Just one more thing. That was crazy. Okay.
Let's play hide and seek.
I'm gonna, you know, play the game normally now, but then I'm gonna go to second floor because I want to see what that looks like because I've never done that in this game. Come here and get your prize, a shiny quarter.
Just click on it with the interact button to pick it up.
That's how you use items, you know.
You can use it on.
I skipped. Okay, let's do this.
That's how you use items.
Let's go. 10, 9. And I'm also gonna do it now. You guys have watched enough. Okay, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Get away from me.
Hey, Baldi!
I also need to freeze him as well. See, this would like accidentally get me as well. Okay, let's get this in case he's able to come up. What else should I get? Yeah, let's get this. Let's get these points. Okay. Second floor. What does it look like? Oh my god, it sounds loud. How do you know where I am? Wait, no, I've already been here, I think. Wait, no, I think I've already been here. Yeah, no, portal poster. Yeah, I can get a portal poster. Wait, kids! What is this? Subspace Trick Man. What? There are more secrets in this game than I thought.
Come on in and you get a special prize.
Whoa, wait, what? Wait, what? What did that do? Wait, I want to know what that did. So what happened now? You know what? What I also want to try is I also want to try going to the room that has the scissors poster, and I want to try placing the portal poster on it. So where's Baldi? Because I need to know where he is. Where is it? Baldi, you're slow. Whoa! Whoa! What's happened? Because first I need to freeze him so he doesn't get in my way. Okay, there he is. Bang! Freeze you, yeah, you're frozen. Okay, I think it's like here.
Looks
What?
like it's sweeping
You're
time.
kidding me! It doesn't even work!
Sticks and stones.
Okay, you know what? No, I just want to see. Oh! No, I just want to see what's the prize in the principal's office right now. What's the prize? It's a party. What? What's the prize? Wait, I have another one. Wait, what? Baldi, you don't know where I am. Baldi, you don't know where I am. Baldi, shoot it! Ah! No!
Over here!
Can I use it again? Okay, nope. I'm not risking that. Well, I might as well beat it one more time, I guess. Okay, let's get 4. Wait, I can hide! Does he know where I am? Does he know? He doesn't know where I am! Don't open the door! I don't know where he is. Oh, man! Please, no detention. Like, I'm trying to run from a, Ooh, thank you! Thank you for that. I really like that.
Hey,
Why would you tell him where I am? I'm right here. God. No, 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 no! Give me something, no! Things are going so bad. No. Peace. No. Run. Wait.
I see you, friend.
No, what? Why won't things go my way? Why won't things go my way? Why won't things go my way? Free, get it. Free and get it. Free and get it. Free and get it in a pizza pie. Free and get it. Get it. Oh, oh my God, how did I escape? What?
No running in the hall.
What?
Sweep.
Ah!
Sweep.
I did. Well, now I want to go this way. What? Bro, y'all look crazy. I don't know. Well, I do know, but... Wait, where's Baldi? Wait, where is he? I did it! Fibber. Wait, I can... Oh my... Wait, did his ruler break? I think his ruler broke. That's what happened. Oh, I think it's... You kidding me? Okay, wait. Wait, 1 sec. I'm not done. Okay. Oh, okay. He's all the way over there.
I see you,
Please don't.
friend.
I can't even hear him. Why did I do that? Oh my God. What? You can get detention for doing that?
When were you?
Please don't see me. Yes. No, I actually hit you.
30 seconds.
When did you sleep?
Don't make me do this again. Gonna take you.
He's right there.
I am coming where the old girl like
Gosh, bro. No! Wait. His ruler's gone! I forgot! His ruler's gone! So he can't even get me! Yes! I literally forgot! If he gets me again... You have to be joking. No, but you have to be joking. I'm not doing this again. No! I'm dead. His ruler's gonna come back.
40 seconds.
I still have to jump rope? What the? What kind of... Please, ruler, don't come back. Please don't come back here. No! Stop! Are you kidding me? He saw me again! Oh my God, don't you... Oh my God. How are you... Bro, he's so fast! Look at me, get me. He's gonna see me again and he's gonna give me another detention. Yep. Baldi's just camping detention. Bro, I can't even do anything. What? I can't even do anything. Baldi's... Why are you on me? What did I do? Why are you... Are you kidding me? So I can't even run in detention. Oh, hello. Stop! Bang. Use it. Why can I not escape with this?
I am coming where you're going. I come.
Oh, he's so fast. I think Baldi already knows that I'm here. Whoa! Oh my gosh. I just got another. That doesn't really help me.
No escaping the
You have to be joking. You have to be joking. You have to be joking. I will never learn. No! Yes! Yes! Hallelujah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely putting chapters on this thing. Bye.